Hello guys, Habib here. As I promised, I finally modified the Ahmedsaed core AI script, and then it became like this, guys. It is very simple. Previously the core the AI core script that we were working with was using navmesh agent or navmesh AI navmesh. I don't know, I don't want them, and it was generating random and automatic waypoints, and I don't want them. I want my own waypoints. They are here: first waypoint, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I have five waypoints, and I can add more waypoints by duplicating this empty game objects. And this is the car script. I attached a camera behind the car, and the script now, as you can see, previously I've shown you that I made this waypoint slots here. You can add more waypoints here. For example, if you want to add another waypoints, and for example I duplicate it this way, place it here, then go back to your car, drag and drop it here. Now it will be added at the last of the list. Then the car speed, if you want to change the car speed, just change this max RPM. By default it was 100. I changed it to 200, and it has this checkbox, patrol or not patrolling. Then we can just watch, and it will move along my waypoints here. The blue one is the next waypoint that the car is going to move to. Yep. We need to move it here. Now it is very simple, guys, and I really like the car, the AI car script that Ahmedsaed made for us. But I don't want the navmesh, I don't want the random or automatically generated waypoints. I want my own waypoints like this, and it is working, and it will move forever because it is patrol enabled. Let me stop it, and what if I uncheck the patrol checkbox? I expect the car will stop at the end of the path, at the end of the waypoint. 1, 2, 3. You can see the number of the waypoints here, the index 3, 4, 5, and it will stop there, and it crash. Yeah, okay guys, that's all. And of course I am sharing it with you, and it's free. You can check the link in the description of this video to get the Unity package that I've made it simpler. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye on my next videos.